I was in a tragic car accident right near the zoo.
Christina Kenny became an amputee after a crash in 2013, just after having her daughter.
I think that this was supposed to happen to me. I even embraced being in an accident, and my university at the time, on top of my family and my church community, really supported me and made sure that I was able to have all of the resources.
Her positive spirit allowed her to finish grad school while in the hospital and learn to walk again with a prosthetic. But finding the right foot was its own challenge.
I was often told, I wish I could give you this foot, or I wish that we could work with this type of material, but I can't do that for you.
For many amputees, the choice isn't simple. There are hundreds of options, each very expensive. Kenny has gone through about 10 different setups over the years.
So there's different components, like sometimes you need a new socket and sometimes you need a new foot.
That's where Pittsburgh-based Humotech comes in. Founder Josh Caputo started the work as a graduate student at Carnegie Mellon and says the goal is to build a better way to choose.
I realized the world doesn't need another prosthetic foot. It needs technologies, solutions, workflows to help improve and streamline data-driven decision-making.
In Humotech's system, patients walk on the device that emulates different commercial feet, choosing the best one for them. Sort of like another field of medicine most of us are very familiar with.
We imagine a world where it's like going to get your eyeglasses. You go to the optometrist, there's that machine, the 4-opter machine, where you can try different lenses, and you find the lens that works best for you.
So changing in 3, 2, 1.
In a demonstration of the tech, Kenny could feel the changes immediately.
And I can feel myself kind of walking heel to toe.
The company has spent years in research and clinical studies, including working with the VA, and now is getting ready to bring this into real clinical care through mobile clinics.
Well, we're excited to see this translate, and we're looking to do that this summer with our first mobile clinic. And we're excited to see the aha moment for a lot of these patients when this service becomes available.
Better testing could help amputees leave an appointment with more confidence and less fear they'll be stuck with the wrong choice.
I'm hoping that people will leave their prosthetist office or their physiatrist office with hope and feeling more comfortable that we've gotten it right this time.
And after years of research, Humotech says that is exactly the point.
We enable that. We make it easy and a quick process.
Humotech is now in its 4th clinical study and plans to launch that first mobile clinic this summer. If you would like to be fit for a prosthetic with their tech, you can visit humotech.com. They are going to be announcing the dates and the locations of that mobile clinic coming soon, so stand by.